The Nongstoiñ Social Service Society organized the awareness program on Biodiversity Fair cum Plant Genetic Resource PGR Awareness Program under the Northeast Hills scheme sponsored by ICAR NBPGR Regional Station Shillong. More than 200 farmers of Eastern West Khasi Hills District and others district participated in this awareness program, and the ICAR NBPGR department also distributed some farming materials like sprayers, caps, bags, etc. to the farmers.
Ministries of the Government of India are having a special funds for this, and being NBPGR being the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, our major emphasis is to benefit the farmers, direct benefit to the farmers somehow, and also listen to their problems, reach to them to show them that we are with them, and whatever help is required from the scientists, from the ICR, from the Government of India, we are always with them.
These are the varieties which we require for breeding new varieties like Ranjit. These varieties.
Village leaders and villagers of